All right, third graders, yesterday we learned about multiplying with two-digit factors. And so if you will look on page 289 in your math book, that is your page for today, we're going to do the first two problems together just to practice that, okay? So I'd like for you to be writing the answers down as I write them on here, and we'll do these together, okay? So we're starting, of course, with 21 times 14, which is 1A in your book. And we do always multiply by the ones place, then the tens place. So 4 times 1 is 4. And then we're going to multiply the 4 by the tens place. So 4 times 2 is what? 8. Good. Now, we are done with the 4. So we are moving to the tens place on the bottom, which is the number 1. And we are going to put a 0 here to hold this place, to hold the ones place, because we are not going to be using the ones place anymore, okay? Now we're going to multiply the 1 on the bottom in the tens place by the ones place on the top. You do the same order as you did on the top row. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, now we are going to be adding these. Remember, these are partial products. This is a partial product, and this is a partial product, right? We need a final product. So we're going to add the two partial products together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 1 is 9. And then 2 plus 0, of course, is 2. So your answer here is 294. All right, let's go to B, 1B. 32 times 12. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, what are we going to multiply next? We're going to multiply the 2 on the bottom by the tens place. Always, always multiply by the ones place on the top first, then the tens place on the top. So 2 times 3 is 6. Now, go ahead and do the next step. Let's see if you can remember it. We are going to put a 0 under the ones place. You always do this step. If you forget this step, your problem will be incorrect. You put the 0 in the ones place to hold the ones place because we are not using the ones place. We're moving to the tens place on the bottom number. That will be 1 times the ones place on the top. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 3. 1 times the tens place is 3. Now we have our partial products, so we will add. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 0 is 3. And our answer is 384. Now I want you to try C, D, and E yourself, but feel free to watch this again if it helps you to get the steps in place. And then just keep practicing. The more you do them, the better you'll get. All right. Bye, third grade.